Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on caption on TikTok videos, how to add captions to TikTok videos. Caption is simply the text of what is said in a video. A caption is the text format for the explanation of a video. Captions provide an accessible way for viewers who cannot hear or can barely hear audio to watch videos. So guys, I'm a witness to the fact that some videos on TikTok, the audio of those videos, they are not that clear, and sometimes the creators of this video, they are not that audible. So guys, by turning on this caption, you'll be able to see the text format, the text explanation of the video. So guys, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today, so make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to do is to launch into your TikTok app. Guys, let me get to reduce the volume of this video. So guys, once your TikTok app opens up, all you have to do is to search for the video that you want. Let's say you want to search on how to make money on TikTok. So guys, here we have the videos. So guys, let's find the video that we can watch. Let's tap on this one.
How I make $50 an hour watching TikTok.
Let me increase the volume.
Hi, if you don't know me, my name is Rosetta and I am a creator on TikTok.
So guys, as you can see this video now, there is no caption on this video. I'm going to show you guys how you can put on the caption so that you can get to see the text format that explains what she's saying in this video. So guys, what you have to do now to on this caption is to tap on the share icon there. You can see the share icon. You can see the share icon on your right hand. Tap on it. So guys, you can see here we have three sections. This first section, you can see the first section, the second section and the third section. So guys, where you're going to find the caption feature is on the third row. You can see it there where it is written turn on captions. So guys, let's tap on it. So guys, you can see now, wow, the text now is not showing. The text that explains the video is not showing on the screen. You can see it. You can see it there. You can see it where it's been circled. This is so awesome. So guys, and also if you want to turn off this caption, all you have to do is to go back to the same process. You tap on your share icon, then you tap on the turn off caption. When you tap on it, then you go back to the video. Now you're going to see that the caption is no longer there. The text that you saw before is no longer there. So guys, you can do this for every other video. So guys, this is how you turn on your caption on your TikTok video so that you can get to see the text explanation of the video. So guys, I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.